This is day 13, you guys. This is the end, the last workout of week 2. So I'm gonna kick out my Kenpo here at Rustic Camp. It's going to be me in nature. So I'm gonna try to get a couple clips as I'm working out, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. You don't take breaks. You know why? Because when you're pushing it hard, you don't take breaks. Okay guys, that was P90X. Whew, and I brought it. As you guys can see, I'm sweating. Plenty of fresh air out here. It's probably like 70 degrees today. This was day 13. This is the end of week 2, you guys. I am freaking amped. I'm excited about that. Whew, I feel good. I can't even talk right now. I'm so tired. Bust my ass, as you guys can see. Like I said before, you guys can kick out these workouts any freaking where, basically. I know a lot of you guys ask me, how do I do it? I'm at work, I'm on my lunch, and I do it that way. You guys know I have a 3-year-old. When I get home, there's not a whole, it's just really hard for me to work out once I get home, only because my son is there and I really want to spend time with him as well. So this allows me to focus on myself while I'm at work, and it allows me to focus on myself once I get home. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you guys, wow, not tomorrow, tomorrow's my rest day, but I will see you guys, I'll see you guys next week. I hope you guys have a nice weekend. Later guys.